सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. In health and wealth. I wanted you to understand just few basic truths. Whether it is your health or wealth, restrictive patterns are from the same roots. Please understand. Expansion in life is freedom. Anything which restricts brings bondage and suffering. When I say expansion, I don't mean this expansion. I mean expanding in health, expanding in wealth, expanding in every field is success. That is life. But there are many patterns which stops the expansion, restrictive patterns. In these 2 days, we will specially work and break the patterns which restricts you in your health and wealth. Please understand. There are thousands and thousands of engrams. Engram means engraved memory. Thousands and thousands of engraved memories, thought patterns in you which are restricting you experiencing the ultimate, which are constantly showing you that you are not ultimate and you cannot expand by giving foolish, self-created, restrictive circumstances. Never ever think circumstances are more powerful than your reality. No. Our reality is more powerful. Our capacity to create the reality is more powerful than any circumstances. Let me define engram. Engram means a memory gets into your system, makes you work in the same way even if you don't want. For example, you are addicted to smoking or drinking pattern. That engram gets into your system very strongly. After 2 years, even if you want to give up, you won't be able to give up. When the time comes, from inside you will hear smoking, cigarette. When the time comes, from inside you will hear, come on, open the bottle. Simply you can't do anything. Your body will just move. It will open, drink, fall asleep. Next day morning when you are having fight with your spouse only, you will even remember. It is not good for your health. Engram, engraved memories, again and again making you do the same action, even if you understand that is not going to be fulfilling you in your life. Whether it is physical or mental or spiritual. All restrictive patterns are engrams. Your whole life you live and die within these engrams and patterns. There are many of these patterns destroy your health. Please understand, in the young age, if your mother teaches you, hey, don't go in the rain, you will catch cold. When that becomes pattern in you, even after you grow up, your immune system has become strong. You are 50 now. Even now, you don't even need to go in the rain. See the rain through the window. Hach! The moment you see the rain through the window, what happens? Hach! You start sneezing. I can give you one more example. If you have seen in India how they train the elephants, Indians are the only people who tamed elephants. Even in Africa, the technology of taming elephants was never systematic. They learnt it from India. India is the only country who tamed the elephants. How they tame the elephants? When they are babies, they tie a strong, thick rope around their leg. They try their best to break the rope. They won't be able to. They fail. Even after they grow strong, old, even when they can break the rope, they will never try because of their engram. After they grow up, one, they become strong. Second, the rope has become old. Now, simply they can break. The elephants can break the rope. They won't even try. They will be there, stuck. You can show this photograph. You can see. They won't even try when they become old. Okay, ma'am. So understand, many times the engrams created in you, samskaras created in you, patterns created in you in the young age about health is still affecting you, even though those engrams are no more useful to you. They are outdated. They are no more relevant. But still you will be struggling and suffering. Your health will be restricted by those engrams. Same way, wealth. Many of the engrams you carry about wealth, about money, the concept of wealth, many of those engrams will be restricting the way you approach money. Not only that, many of them make you tired the moment you have little money. And many times, the hatred you have for the people with money turns towards money itself. You think money means arrogance. Let me not have it. Unconsciously, you will be fighting with money many times. Please understand, money is not arrogance. Just because money-minded people are arrogant, you don't need to hate money itself. Like this, so many engrams, so many restricting patterns destroys your health and wealth. These 2 days, we will work only on the patterns which is restricting and destroying your health and wealth. There are many patterns which stops your enlightenment, which stops your conscious growth, which stops your relationships. Of course, we will not be able to work on those engrams now. These 2 days we will concentrate only on patterns, engrams, which stops, which restricts your health or your wealth. Creating healthy inner space healthy consciousness, wealthy consciousness, so that you attract health and wealth towards you. What you feel as you, what you strongly believe as you just attract that towards you. Nothing else. You just expand that towards you. You express that in you. One of the biggest lessons I have learned from my life, and I wanted to share with all of you, is have a strong experiential clarity about you. Nobody should be able to penetrate and alter your idea about you within you. Constantly, if people tell that you are a miser, you are a miser, you are a miser, you are a cheat, you are a cheat, you are a cheat, you should not start believing it. That strong clarity about yourself, if you just have that, that's enough. You won the game of life. Nothing else can protect you other than the clarity about you. If that is there, nobody can harm you. Please understand, you are so weak, when people around you doubt, you also start doubting you. That's one of the biggest weakness human beings carry. Destroying others' opinion about you is not that big failure. But if you are also influenced by the others' opinion about you, you are a failure. In my case, the only reason I won the game, they lost the game, is they are able to convince the whole world about me, but they are not able to create one doubt about me in me. Have a strong fort. Nobody can take away your kingdom. Strong fort means in your inner space, be authentic and clear about what you are and what you believe, what you want. Many times, in you, when the clarity is not there, when you have restrictive patterns, suffering starts for you. Suffering is not by others believing about you. Suffering starts when you start doubting about you. These 2 days, I am going to work only on these 2 patterns. The patterns which restricts your health and patterns which restricts your wealth. That's it. First time, I am working on health and wealth together. Usually, I do this as a 4-day program. Health separately 2 days and wealth separately 2 days. When I was working 2-3 times, I realized both patterns has the same root. So I don't need 4 days. In 2 days I can work because the root is one and the same. If I can go to the root and cut the root, I can free people from the health and wealth restricting patterns in 2 days. My only request is, please do it sincerely, intensely. I know, only because you are really sincere you are here. I only request, get into the program also with the same sincerity. Go through the program also with the same sincerity, with the same intensity. Please sit straight. Just 2 minutes. Take a strong decision inside you. You will go through this whole program sincerely, intensely. Forget about all the distractions. Distractions will be there till the world is there. Even after the world dies, it will be there. Let us decide what we want in the life. Take a strong decision to yourself that you will be intense, authentic, doing this whole program.